Hi, I'm Rob from Think Vacuums. Today we're going to demonstrate the Neptune S4, the power test. Okay, the Miele now is going to pick up some ground-in dirt and sand. The next demonstration is going to be picking up rice. We're going to see how it doesn't scatter. And next we're going to pick up some coins. The next demonstration, we're going to go from carpeting to tile on the go without changing any heads. We're going to now demonstrate on edge cleaning how the Miele Neptune is one of the finest edge cleaning vacuums on the market today. I would like to also talk about sound. Sound in a vacuum has a tendency to irritate people or animals or children. Quiet vacuum today is what everybody wants. Some vacuums on the market may sound like this. Or some may sound like this. One of the nicer features about the Miele vacuum is the quietness. If I turn the vacuum on, it's a very pleasant sound, and that's what vacuuming should be. It's a good experience. In conclusion, the S4 Neptune is one of the best values on the market. Some vacuums may cost upwards of $2,000 door-to-door salespeople, $1,500, $800. This is a great value at $499, one of the best values that you can buy out there today. Something that will last approximately 20 years, where an average vacuum may last about 2 years. So in conclusion, this particular vacuum I rate a #1 pick. I'm Rob from Think Vacuums. Thank you for watching this video.